Hello class, today we are going to discuss about pH meter, what is its use and how we can calibrate a pH meter. So it is again the part of good manufacturing practices because pH meter is using for the analytical purpose. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about what is pH meter and how it is calibrated. What is pH meter? It is an instrument that measures the H ion concentration, or we can say pH, of a solution using an ion sensitive electrode which will ideally respond to one specific ion. In this case, that is H positive ion. The pH of a solution is the negative logarithm of the H plus ion concentration. The typical modern pH meter has a glass and reference electrode in one tube. So how does a pH meter measure H ion concentration? The pH meter has two electrodes in one tube, glass and reference electrode. A saturated KCl and HCl solution is contained in a tube which is inside of an outer tube which will have contact with the solution to be measured. So this outer tube has a double glass bulb with sodium ion which makes an ion specific electrode. When measuring the pH of a solution, a salt bridge forms. Sodium ion, not hydrogen ion, crosses the glass membrane of the pH electrode, allow for a change in free energy which is measured by pH meter, and that is the concentration of hydrogen ion. So how we can calibrate it? Make sure the meter is in pH mode. For a 3-point calibration, use high pH 9, pH 7 or low pH, that is 4 solution. Before calibration, rinse probe thoroughly with deionized water or a rinse solution. Immerse the end of the probe completely in the calibration solution. Stir the probe gently to create a homogeneous sample. Then measuring of pH of a solution, always rinse electrode with deionized water prior to placing in a solution for pH measurement. Allow meter to stabilize for 30 seconds or a minute, then read. Remove electrode and rinse with deionized solution. The pH bulb should always be stored wet, preferably in pH 4 buffer with 1 upon 100 kcal. Other buffers or tap water can be used for storage. Maintenance of pH meter: wipe off exterior of pH meter with a damp cloth after use. The outside of the pH of the meter is made of polyester and is not affected by most solvent but is affected by some organic solvents. pH, the power of hydrogen. A quick method for determining pH, that is the litmus paper. So it is useful to determine the pH of a solution when you do not have a pH meter available. So proper storage of the litmus paper is essential to maintain quality, because if it will come in contact with any solution, then it will become uh, colored, and it is now waste. We cannot measure the pH properly. So pH scale, pH measures the concentration of hydrogen in a solution. The lower the number, the more acidic the solution, and the higher the number, the more basic solution. Right? The pH scale very alkaline if the pH is 14, and when it is reducing, then it at coming 0 value, the solution is very much acidic. So according to the properties of the liquid, according to their pH, a particular value or particular color will come when you insert this litmus paper in the solution, and then we can easily judge what is the pH of a particular solution. Thank you.